Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Brawlhalla game. Signing out of Brawlhalla is helpful if you want to switch accounts or secure your profile on shared device. Launch open Brawlhalla on your device and go to the top right corner and tap on the settings or the gear icon. From the options that appears on the screen, tap on account linking. On the next page, tap on the connected account option. Here I am connected with Google Play Games, so let's tap on that. And you will see a sign out button popping up. Click on yes in order to sign out of your Brawlhalla account. And you'll be redirected to the main home page. You can then go to the gear button at the top right corner, tap on account linking, and then you will then be able to log out of your Brawlhalla account. Signing out of Brawlhalla does not delete your account and all progress is saved online. If you play on multiple platforms, use the same account to keep progress synced. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.